Well, yesterday I finished making the inside part to my rotation thing that's going to be opening and closing the inlet and the outlet valve stems. This ring will have 6 holes drilled around the outside where the valve stem from the valve will go through the hole and ride on the cam on the inside. As it turns, it'll open and close the valve at the right time. I've got to make 6 of these, so it's going to take me probably a day. And then I'll be ready to try to make the valve stem that will be screwed to the actual valve inside the valve head inside of the valve. It's going to have a tapered machine bolt like so, with a taper on the bottom. That will be inside, and a rod will be screwed to the end of the stem that operates it back and forth. And that rod then will extend through the holes in this with a tip on it that rides inside the groove of the rotator or camshaft. So that's my project for the next couple of days. I've already gone through and made sure that the seals are okay here. So now it's just a matter of drilling and seating the valve stems in the valve. I'll do another video as I get maybe a couple of them put on just to show you how they're looking. But for now, I'll go back to work.